Pizza, a beloved food worldwide. Simple, delicious, and versatile. From Italy to your kitchen, let's make amazing pizza. Pizza brings people together. Sharing and enjoying, it creates lasting memories. Let's explore the world of Italian pizza. Naples, Italy, is the home of pizza. Centuries ago, it was street food for the working class. Simple ingredients, full of flavor. Tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. The classic Margherita pizza, a tribute to Queen Margherita. Use the best ingredients for authentic Italian pizza. Flour, yeast, water, and salt for the dough. Fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil leaves. Extra virgin olive oil is essential for flavor and texture. Making pizza dough is easy. Combine flour, yeast, water, and salt. Knead until smooth and elastic. Let the dough rise in a warm place. Shape the dough and add your favorite toppings. Bake in a very hot oven until golden brown.